Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making watermelon juice. If you have not yet subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. As you can see, my already clean watermelon is already on the cutting board. Now I'm going to show you how I peel it and how I'll be cutting it. I'll cut the ends of it, then peel it. I will cut it in half. Now I'm going to hold the watermelon with my finger and slice it horizontally. Then cut it in a square shape. After cutting it, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to put it inside my blender. I'll cover it, then blend it. I won't be using any water to blend it because the watermelon already has its own water. In a clean bowl, I'll put my strainer inside, then pour in the juice. I'll shake it around and use my hand to press out the excess juice out of the watermelon. The reason why I do this is because it will take out the excess pulp, seed and also make the watermelon juice very smooth. As you can see guys, this is the end result of my watermelon juice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.